Okay, so now I'm going to try and summarize what I feel about the burger. Now this burger, guys, what I like about it is the fact that I cannot complain anything about the burger. I mean, burger is such a simple dish, not simple per se, but it's been there, done that in different forms, in different shapes, and everybody's tried the dish. So everybody's got some complaints about the dish. You know, some people say, no, it's got too less cheese, too many ingredients, the meat is too well done, or there's not enough meat, there's too much bread. But this is the right combination. It's got enough things to complement each other that you're satisfied at the end of the meal. And in my opinion, a beef burger of this portion is absolutely lovely. One person can relish and really enjoy this meal and not ask or dwell on other thoughts. I mean, to be very honest, the bigger the better. So the portion wise, I know it's a little lot, but come on guys, too much of anything is not bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and finish this burger because I have a lot more room left for my dessert and of course the lovely drink coming right ahead. So goodbye burger, and thank you so much, Mr. Fries. So we're now going to move on to the next dish, which of course is a drink. The drink is going to be something very unique. I'm not too sure what I'm going to get, but I'm sure somebody's going to surprise me and give me something that's really awesome, because so far I've enjoyed each individual dish and they've all been different, but it fits the theme. I mean, I'm sure every person that's around me like the dish that they try. So I'm going to be excited and of course have high expectations for the drink coming right ahead.
Seeing as to how we're on the beach, it gets very, very hot here. We're always looking for a nice cold drink, and the drink that I chose was a Cranjito. Cranjito is basically cranberry juice with a little bit of lemon juice, a little soda. You can use Sprite if you want it to be any sweeter. Mint leaves. And there we go, lots and lots of ice.
Now we're going to move on to the last part of this very tasty meal, and that of course is a very refreshing and nice mocktail. This is a play on a cocktail called Mojito. It's called a Fojito. Now let me try the drink and let me tell you how it tastes. Really, really cool. It's a really nice dish, guys. I mean, it's very apt for the weather here in Chennai. It helps you beat the summer, and to be very honest, at the end of that meal, that heavy meal in fact, this bit of sugar, that little bit of rush that you get is what you want. It completes your meal. It lets you move on a little further. And to continue with my journey, I would love to have another one of this. And to be very honest guys, this is just one option in their menu. They have a lot of other different lovely and of course tasty mocktails that you can come and try only if you visit the Gatsby Village. So right now I'm going to do what I always do best, that is enjoy and eat good food. So c'est la vie. Another one thing that I like about this dishes, guys, is that, you know, people play with words, they give different names to different dishes, and they expect you to find the similarities between the dishes. I believe you don't have to struggle too hard to realize what this drink is, because the mojito flavors, that is the primary flavors from the mint leaves and the lemon, that stands out, and what complements it is of course the cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is not typical of a mojito, but for this particular drink I think the balance and the alliance between the two different main ingredients is a perfect balance. I think it's something new, it's something that I'm happy to try out, and I'm very glad that I did, because in the future I know I can look out for this one marvelous dish, and that is of course the Fojito. Cheers everyone. I absolutely love this place, guys. Just look at me. I'm so relaxed. I'm so free in this pit stop of a restaurant. I mean, you have such a lovely atmosphere. To be very honest, guys, this is me in my little world, enjoying a nice cool drink. And this is what dining and also enjoying new experiences is all about. trying new dishes, going to different places and doing things you wouldn't ordinarily do, and see how it pays off. Look at me right now. I am peaceful, I am content because I had a lovely hearty meal and I'm finishing it all off with a nice, cool, refreshing drink. And of course, guys, it's still not yet over because we are on our way to Pondicherry right now, and this was just a pit stop. So I'm going to pick up some quick, nice, savory pastries on my way. So let's head over to the bakery department and see what yummy sweets they've got in store for us on our drive to Pondicherry. And with that, we now come to the end of this very tasty meal here at the Gatsby Village. It's been an awesome journey throughout because it's been a pit stop journey. We've tried different foods, unique foods here. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go thank Sami for inviting us and sharing her recipes with us here at the Gatsby Village. But of course, the journey to Pondicherry is still not over. So I'm going to grab some quick snacks for my journey there. Let's go see what's in the bakery department. Hi, Sami. Okay, so before I leave here, I must thank you 1,000 times for inviting us and sharing your food with us, Baba.
You're welcome here anytime.
So I will come here on a very personal note. So what I'm going to do right now, before I leave, I'd like a quick savory sweet before I leave, Sami, for my journey to Pondicherry.
Sure. Alright, so let me tell you what I have.
Please.
Alright, so we'll start from the bottom.
Okay.
I've got chocolate chip cookies, and then I've got the chocolate walnut brownie,
Awesome.
the chocolate chip muffin.
Don't stop there.
I've got tons of macaroons in different flavors, an eggless chocolate cake for those who don't eat egg,
Absolutely.
lemon tart,
Lovely.
tigre, which is the almond and chocolate cake. I've got a 3 chocolate, which is the best thing here. One of the best things
What did
here.
you just say right now?
The best thing here.
I want 2 of that.
2 of here?
No, 4.
4. I only have 4.
Okay, one will do.
Alright.
One will do.
So it's basically, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's got dark chocolate mousse,
Uh-huh.
milk chocolate mousse,
Awesome.
white chocolate mousse with chocolate fondant on top.
What are you saying, dude?
It's like a chocoholic's dream.
It's a trio in
trio
one.
in one, yeah.
And all fudge.
All fudge, yeah. And then the one next to
I
it.
thought my day was already awesome.
No, you have to have it.
Nahin, na?
You have to.
Have to. Next to it is tiramisu.
Next to that is tiramisu. The one next to it is cheesecake. It's not a New York style cheesecake where it's a hard base. It's a soft base with a
Philly
soft
style.
center, and it's basically just like a lemon. It's got a little lemon zest in it.
Awesome.
I'd love to take credit for all of these, but I can't.
No?
I've got Black Forest next to that. It's not the typical Black Forest. It's got a little swirl to it. We've got the milk flow, which is basically layers of custard, vanilla custard or chocolate custard.
I've never tried that, Sami. I've always
very nice.
heard about it, yeah.
Yeah, next to that we have opera, which is chocolate and coffee.
Absolutely.
We've got the eclairs, which are vanilla, coffee and chocolate.
Before we leave, any last bit of word or any last promotional words you got to say to the public to bring them here?
This place is like my home, and I want it to be like your home.
Awesome.
Come by and begin.
Mi casa, su casa.
Mi casa, su casa. I can't even say it right.
I think we're all tired from a lovely and of course a very tiring day at work. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly take my parcel and of course meet you guys outside near the car for of course the closing of the show. Okay guys, it's unfortunately the time where we have to conclude this very awesome and of course a very tasty episode of Stir Fry. This has been the longest pit stop for me here on the East Coast Road, but every second and every minute has been worth it because I tried something new and I loved it. This whole experience here at the Gatsby Village, it's been one I will cherish and I'll make sure that I'll stop if I'm traveling on the same road. But for right now, I have my delivery parcel to go. I have all my sweets ready in this, so I'm going to go to Pondicherry. But unfortunately again, it's now time to conclude this show here on Stir Fry. Make sure you eat some good food, stay healthy, catch me on the next episode. But until then, but of course, c'est la vie, take care.
Pepper's Entertainment Television. Turn on the heat.